working your calendar is a big one. It's something that I never really paid super close attention to, probably until 5 or 6 years ago when I started working here. Seeing how Kyle treats his, and I've tried to replicate that to the best of my ability. And I have become pretty fixated on it. I try my best to be accountable for all the time, especially during my days, and even on weekends. I've gotten to the point where, now with peds and everything, we've got 15-minute blocks, right, of showings. So what I'll do is I'll put in a 15-minute window for each showing, have the address, so when I'm in my car, I can simply click on that calendar. It'll take me to the next property. I don't have to look it up in MapQuest or in Apple Maps or Google Maps. Every time I get back from a showing, I just get in the car, follow them to the next one. It's already there for me. I mean, the example is the attorneys, right? They have to be accountable for every 15 minutes. They bill for every 15 minutes, and they bill a lot. And a lot of us make attorney money, so we should also be responsible. And Spencer, actually, I've been teaching him about this since he came on board. He came up with this thing called Bother, which works on the Mac. I don't know if it's a PC app as well. It is? Yeah, but basically it just bothers you. And every 15 minutes or half hour,
time block it, whatever.
You can decide when you want to set it, and it pops up on your screen and says, what are you doing? That's what it does. It's the stupidest little thing, but it's great. And if you are having trouble getting in the habit of blocking your time, try Bother. It's great. This is just like an example of last week.
Did you say that's an app?
What?
That's an app, Bother?
Yeah. It's not in the App Store, but it's something you can download for the PC. I don't know if it's a mobile app.
But it is Mac friendly.
But this is yes, Spencer uses it on his Mac.
Okay.
Yes.
It's our Mac resident. If any of you guys buy that new MacBook, you got to go to Spencer for help. Just saying. I'll pay you, bro. Don't come to me, please.
Yeah. So this is just an example. I mean, the calendar starts at 5 and goes to 10, so you can see most of the stuff is in the middle of the time. But I've got everything that I'm doing accounted for, basically, right? So this is literally last week that I just pulled up and did a screen grab. It's not unusual, and it's kind of, and then this is not even reflecting Spencer's calendar that I have in my calendar, my wife's calendar. We have a family calendar, there's a kid's calendar. There's all kinds of other, this is just me. And so block it out, be accountable for it, and you will be more productive, I promise.